This solder you shouldn't really use. The reason is because this is a lead-free solder, which is great. It's actually a good brand as well, and you can see there that it says it's 1 millimeter in diameter, and that's the problem. So lead-free solder is less toxic because there's no lead in it, but if you get it quite thick, it means it's very difficult to use because it has a higher melting temperature than solders with lead. So trying to melt this is very difficult. For example, I have my soldering iron here, and I have it at 450 degrees. So this temperature should be no problem with regular leaded solder. With this one, it's so difficult to melt. I have to try really hard to get that working. Whereas if I were to get a thinner solder, for example, 0.5 millimeters, you don't need to dump as much heat into it, which means that you can then use this solder, which is lead-free, and get away with it. And that means that your solders will be cleaner. You won't get cold solders. The little eyes that you put the solder in, they'll well up better. So if you do use lead-free solder, which is a great idea, go for a thinner one.